Here's good news if you've got to get a load of people and luggage somewhere in a really big hurry. The new Audi RS6. It's still a wagon, or Avant in Audi speak. It's still all-wheel drive, and of course, it's still a V8. Under the bonnet, there's this updated version of the RS6's 4-litre bi-turbo V8 engine, punching out an incredible 441 kilowatts. Performance is epic. 0 to 100 in 3.6 seconds and a top speed up to 305 kilometres an hour. And you can tow up to 2.5 tonnes. This thing would look unbelievable at the boat ramp. The new RS6 has about the same power as the performance version of the old model, but has more torque. It's also claimed to be faster by a tenth to 100 kilometres an hour than the old model and reaches 200 kilometres an hour in just 12 seconds. But testing like that will have to wait for the future. As for this preview, it's looking and drooling only. Based on the new A6 Avant that's actually not coming to Australia, the latest RS6 is wider and rolls on massive 22-inch wheels. The RS6 debuts a new look, more aggressive face that will spread through the entire RS family. This grille is more compact and this monobrow is new, separating it from the bonnet. Now I'll emphasise here monobrow is my term, not Audi's, but I did ask what they called it and no one could come up with a name. So monobrow it is. Under the skin there's great new tech like a fuel-saving 48-volt mild hybrid system. There's all-wheel steering, air or steel suspension, and a high degree of chassis and drivetrain tunability via Audi Drive Select and specific RS modes. Inside, the RS6 gets the latest Audi technology update, including MMI touch response and an RS-specific version of the Audi virtual cockpit. In the back, there's up to 1,680 litres of luggage space. Talk about parcel express. The new Audi RS6 goes on sale in Australia in the middle of 2020.